Looking for the best tongue drums in 2026? In this video, we review the top steel tongue drums that deliver relaxing tones, beautiful resonance, and beginner-friendly playability. Whether you want a musical instrument for meditation, yoga, sound healing, or casual music sessions, these tongue drums offer amazing sound quality and value. Stay tuned as we compare design, durability, sound performance, and features to help you choose the perfect tongue drum for your needs. Number 3. The Panda Drum Pro Blue is a beautifully crafted 15-inch steel tongue drum designed to deliver calming, meditative sound for musicians, beginners, and relaxation enthusiasts alike. Tuned to 432 Hz, this instrument produces soothing, hollow tones that create a peaceful atmosphere perfect for meditation, yoga, mindfulness practices, therapy sessions, or simple stress relief at home. One of the biggest strengths of the Panda Drum Pro is its rich and relaxing sound quality. The tones resemble a blend of handpan drums, chimes, and marimbas, offering smooth resonance and a deeply calming listening experience. Users consistently praise how easy and enjoyable it is to play, even for people with little or no musical experience. Constructed from durable alloy steel with a protective finish, the drum feels sturdy and well-made, while remaining suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether played during gatherings, outdoor relaxation sessions, or classroom activities, the instrument maintains excellent tone and visual appeal. The included accessories make it especially beginner-friendly. The package includes a music book, mallets, finger picks, and a carrying bag, giving users everything needed to start playing immediately. The songbook is particularly appreciated for helping children and beginners learn simple melodies quickly and intuitively. Its vibrant blue finish gives the drum a modern, eye-catching appearance, while the portable carrying bag makes transportation easy. For anyone seeking a calming, creative, and beginner-friendly musical instrument, the Panda Drum Pro offers excellent sound quality, thoughtful accessories, and outstanding value in 2026. Number 2. The Aliexpress 22-inch handpan drum in D minor chord is a beautifully crafted musical instrument that delivers rich, meditative tones perfect for relaxation, performance, and creative expression. Tuned to 432 Hz with 10 notes in the popular D minor scale, this handpan creates deep, emotional soundscapes that feel calming, immersive, and inspiring for both beginners and experienced players. Constructed from premium 1.2mm nitride steel, the drum feels durable and professionally built while producing clean resonance with impressive sustain. Each note is carefully hand-tuned, allowing the instrument to deliver balanced harmonics and a smooth, flowing tonal experience. The soothing sound quality makes it ideal for yoga, meditation, mindfulness sessions, music therapy, or simply relaxing after a long day. The 22-inch size offers a comfortable playing surface and a full-bodied sound that easily fills a room without becoming overwhelming. Many users describe the instrument as both visually stunning and emotionally calming, making it enjoyable not only to play, but also to display in a living space or studio. This handpan package also includes excellent accessories, such as a carrying case, drum stand, drumsticks, and cleaning cloth, providing everything needed to start playing immediately. Beginners can quickly create beautiful melodies using simple hand techniques without requiring formal musical training. Although the price may feel premium compared to entry-level instruments, the craftsmanship, tone quality, and overall musical experience justify the investment. For anyone seeking a high-quality handpan with beautiful resonance and relaxing sound, the Aliexpress D minor chord handpan is an outstanding choice for 2026. Number 1. The Handpan Dominus 14-inch steel tongue drum in ruby red is a premium quality percussion instrument designed for musicians, meditation enthusiasts, and anyone seeking rich, calming sound. Crafted from durable alloy steel, this tongue drum delivers warm, resonant tones that stand out from many lower-cost alternatives. One of the first things users notice is how smooth and musical the sound feels. without the overly metallic ringing often found in standard steel drums. The 14-inch Dominus model offers a balanced tone with excellent sustain, making it suitable for meditation, yoga, relaxation, recording sessions, and creative musical exploration. Its compact size also makes it easy to transport while still producing deep and immersive sound. The striking ruby red finish gives the instrument a bold, professional appearance that looks as impressive as it sounds. A major highlight of the Dominus drum is its tunable design, allowing players to customize scales and experiment with different musical styles. Users especially praise Handpan's optional magnet tuning system and responsive customer support, which helps players retune the drum for alternative scales like acabano. This flexibility makes the instrument appealing for both beginners and experienced musicians. The included mallets are comfortable to use, and the overall build quality feels extremely solid and professional. While a few users mentioned needing minor tuning adjustments upon arrival, most agree the sound quality and craftsmanship are outstanding. For anyone looking for a high-end steel tongue drum with beautiful tone, tunable versatility, and premium construction, the Handpan Dominus is an excellent choice in 2026. Thanks for watching our Best Tongue Drums Review 2026. Musical note, we hope this video helped you find the perfect steel tongue drum for meditation, relaxation, yoga, or musical creativity. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and music gear recommendations. Comment below and let us know which tongue drum was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.